In the previous videos, we installed and configured our cluster with Calico as container network interface. In this video, we will tear down our whole cluster. Not just for fun, but sometimes you might need to do it. So resetting a cluster is very simple. All you need to do is run kubeadm reset command. And in case you don't want a prompt or you want to automate it, use the command with -f. So do a kubeadm reset f. So this will give you a prompt. If you don't want to have this prompt or to automate it, then cancel it and then run it with option. Now you might get some errors because we did not shut down some of the containers and some pods were running. But if you want to destroy a cluster, that's fine. Now you can follow the instruction printed in the console, but I have created a combined command to make it easier. Also, let us delete these files. Now we can also flash the IP tables. Now to actually remove Kubernetes, we need to run this command. And to install Docker and Containerd, use this command. We can also run the following command to remove any additional packages that are no longer required, as we have uninstalled both Kubernetes and Docker. Now let's follow this quickly for other nodes as well. This is the end of the series. Please like this video and subscribe if these videos are helpful. Thank you.